Here we are with the La San Marco machine that we have bought, and this is just a little video for demonstrating how it works and how to help install it when you get it. First thing is, it's a 220 machine. You're going to need we don't send it with a plug, so you'll have to get a plug in the outlet to match. You have to put that on the machine when you first get it. And then for the water, we have the pump and the motor is outside the machine. In the electrical part here, you got the ground wire connected to the motor, and then your power, you can see, just match up the white and the blue and the black and the black. The motor, the pump, the right hand side, and there's an arrow pointing down. I'm not sure if you can see it on the video, but this is your water from your supply, your wall pretty much, into the pump, and then pump out. Here's your out here, and then that goes into the machine. Backing up here, there'll be a drip tray here. You have to lift the drip tray off, and here is your water coming into the machine. And since we're right here, this is on the right hand side of the machine, since we're right here, this lever is a manual fill. You won't need it because the machine is equipped with an automatic refill, but just to kind of point it out to you. Then coming back onto this side, here is your on-off button. 0, obviously it's off. And your 1 button it's to let water into the machine, but it does not start the heat. In order to have water and heat for it to work, you need to turn it to 2. The 1 button is pretty much if you have issues with the heating element or something like that. You need to, have it so that you have to empty your boiler to pull your heating element out. After you get everything back in and you're working, you want to turn it to 1, so your boiler will fill, and then at that point you can turn it to 2, so your heating element doesn't burn itself out without any water. Here's a sight glass. You can always see if you have water in your boiler, minimum and maximum. But then let me put the drip tray back on real quick, and we'll demonstrate how it works. Okay. We have a single basket. Slide it in there. You have different choices here. We're just going to do a small shot. Here's a large shot, small double shot, and small large shots. So we're just going to and it will run for the programmed amount of time. And then turn itself off. And we'll just run through the buttons real quick. You can always turn it off by that last button. And this last one is it'll just run. This is just an automatic water, so it'll just run until you push it again. This side is a double. Yeah, you can make 2 shots with it. Get down so you can see a little better. I've already ran water through this coffee, that's why it's running a little quicker. You have a hot water valve right in the middle. And then you have left and right steamers. And with just to do a little quick demonstration of steaming milk, you want to just put the tip of the steam one at the top of the milk itself. In a small cup like that, it'll steam pretty quick. So that's about it. I hope this helps. And I hope you enjoy your machine. If you have any questions, definitely give us a call. 817-640-3131.